Are you looking for a solution to protect items that you don't want to get scratched, dinged, dented, some sensitive items during storage, moving, that type of thing? This would be a great economical option. This is our MB Saver blanket, 43 pounds per dozen. This is a 72-inch by 80-inch blanket. It's got double stitching around the hem with a 2-inch hem, zigzag interlock stitching in the middle. There's a recycled cotton padding in the center. This does have a non-woven shell, so not quite as durable as some of our higher-end blankets, but this is a great economy option for warehousing, moving, and storage of delicate items. When it comes to moving blankets, there are some similarities and some differences. We'll go over some examples here. Generally speaking in the industry, moving blankets, moving pads, warehouse pads are 72 inches by 80 inches, so 6 foot by 6 foot 8. They're measured by weight per dozen. So starting from this side, we've got our MB Saver blanket, which is a good warehouse pad, economy pad, general purpose pad for covering items, laying down on the ground, you know, a picnic blanket, that sort of thing. Lots of applications, 43 pounds per dozen, non-woven binding on the outside. So this is a very basic economy blanket. Stepping up a little bit here, we've got our MB Deluxe. This is a 65 pound per dozen blanket. So you get a little bit more of that recycled cotton padding in the middle. These all have the recycled cotton padding, but what contributes to that extra weight is a little thicker padding in the center. So when you see a heavier weight, it's a thicker blanket. So we've got a 65 pound per dozen, also a non-woven material on the outside. So extra padding, a little bit more economical material on the outside. Then we step up to the very nice top of the line Supreme blanket here. This is a 95 to 100 pound per dozen blanket. It's got a woven polyester material on both sides, so very durable, extra tear resistant, and a lot of extra padding in the center. So this would be a great long-term use blanket, something for repeated use, things like that. Lots of uses after you're done with it if you're using it for moving. You can use it to protect the seats of your car. You can use it, donate them to an animal shelter, use them, like I said, lay on the ground at the 4th of July to go to a parade.